Welcome to Simple Intelligent Systems, where innovation meets simplicity. Today, we're excited to share how you can effortlessly configure consent mode on your WordPress website. First, head to your WordPress dashboard. Under the Plugins section, search for the User-Centric's CookieBot plugin and install it. Next, activate the plugin and navigate to the Settings page. Here, you can customize the consent mode to ensure compliance and enhance user experience. By configuring consent mode, you're not only protecting user data, but also building trust with your audience. A win-win. Once you've configured the plugin on your WordPress site, the next step is to visit the Data Stream section of your Google Analytics 4 account. Here, you'll need to verify that the consent settings are accurately implemented and functioning as intended. Visit Simple Intelligent Systems for more smart solutions. Subscribe, like, and stay informed with our latest updates. Ready to make your WordPress website intelligent? Let's do it with a few simple updates.